Hey there! Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 best radiator stop leaks on the market. If you're dealing with radiator issues, you're not alone. Leaks can be a real headache. That's why finding the right solution is crucial. We'll explore products that not only seal leaks but also protect your engine from damage, saving you time and money. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just looking for a quick fix, we've got you covered. So check the link in the description below for the best deals on these amazing products. Let's dive in and keep your vehicle running smoothly. Number 5. Zato Atomex Stop Leak Radiator Coolant Additive is your go-to solution for addressing pesky radiator leaks without breaking the bank. This affordable fix eliminates the need for expensive radiator repairs, ensuring your vehicle's engine runs smoothly. Compatible with both gasoline and diesel engines, this versatile additive works wonders not only in cars but also in various equipment, effectively stopping leaks and sealing radiators for optimal performance. What sets Zato apart is its commitment to parts safety. It's designed to be safe for gaskets, rubber hoses, aluminum, plastic, and steel radiators, allowing you to safeguard your entire cooling system with confidence. The lasting protection offered by this radiator coolant additive is remarkable. It actively prevents rust and corrosion, promoting a smooth-running engine while providing a reliable barrier against future leaks. Ideal for emergency repairs, Zato Atomex is known for its peak performance, sealing leaks in radiators, coolant, and antifreeze systems effectively for a long-term solution. If you're looking for the best radiator stop leak product on the market, Zato Atomex Stop Leak Radiator Coolant Additive is the perfect choice to keep your engine healthy and your wallet intact. Number 4. Bars Leaks Radiator Stop Leak Concentrate, Pack of 5, 1196-5 PK, is your go-to solution for minor coolant leaks, ensuring your vehicle stays on the road without the hassle of costly repairs. This innovative formula is specially designed to stop and seal leaks and drips caused by the normal wear and tear of your cooling system. Whether you're dealing with leaks in radiators, gaskets, heater cores, or freeze plugs, a single bottle is enough for regular-sized cooling systems in most 6- and 8-cylinder passenger vehicles and light trucks. For 4-cylinder engines, just half a bottle will do the trick. What sets Bars Leaks apart is its versatility. It works seamlessly with all types and colors of antifreeze coolant and water, including silicate-based and non-silicate-based options like OAT and HOAT. From yellow and orange to pink, red, blue, purple, and green, this stop leak concentrate is compatible with virtually any coolant you may encounter. The pack of 5 bottles ensures you always have a solution on hand, providing peace of mind for those unexpected leaks. With Bars Leaks Radiator Stop Leak Concentrate, you can drive confidently, knowing your cooling system is protected and running efficiently. It's the perfect choice for anyone looking to maintain their vehicle without breaking the bank. Number 3. Winz Radiator Stop Leak 325 ml is your go-to solution for radiator problems, especially if you're looking for the best radiator stop leaks. This innovative formula provides enhanced protection against rust and corrosion, ensuring the longevity of your cooling system. Unlike other products, Winz is specifically designed to avoid clogging radiator waterways and temperature sensors, making it a reliable choice for all vehicle owners. What's even better is its compatibility with all antifreezes and coolants, including organic acid technology, OAT, coolants, giving you flexibility and peace of mind. You won't have to worry about damaging rubber hoses, gaskets, or other system components, as Winz is formulated to be safe for all critical parts of your cooling system. Whether you're dealing with an existing leak or want to prevent future issues in your radiator, cooling, and heating system, Winz Radiator Stop Leak effectively stops and prevents leakages, providing you with a dependable fix that can save you time and money. Keep your vehicle running smoothly with this essential product that brings reliability and protection to your engine's cooling system. Number 2. Blue Devil Products presents the 00205 Radiator and Block Sealer, an essential remedy for anyone dealing with frustrating radiator and block leaks. This remarkable solution offers a permanent fix that ensures your vehicle's cooling system remains fully functional and efficient. Designed for compatibility with various materials, this sealer effectively works on plastic, aluminum, and metal radiators, making it a versatile choice for a wide array of vehicles. What truly distinguishes Blue Devil's sealer is its advanced formulation, which contains no solids or fibrous materials. This innovative approach eliminates the risk of clogging your radiator or causing any unwanted damage during application. The ease of use further enhances its appeal. Simply pour the 16-ounce bottle into your radiator, and you're set for a seamless, hassle-free fix. Not only is Blue Devil 00205 safe to use, but it also delivers remarkable results, allowing you to tackle leaks without the need for costly repairs. The product comes with a guarantee, showcasing the brand's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. If you're on the hunt for the best radiator stop leak solution that prioritizes performance and reliability, look no further than the Blue Devil Products 00205 Radiator and Block Sealer. It's a smart investment that keeps your engine cool and your peace of mind intact. Number 1. Bars Leaks Liquid Aluminum Radiator and Heater Core Stop Leak is the ultimate solution for coolant leaks, offering a scientifically formulated product that permanently seals leaks and addresses the overheating issues that many vehicle owners face. This powerful liquid aluminum formula is part of the next-generation stop leak line, specifically designed not only to seal leaks but also to condition the entire cooling system. With its unique extreme cool feature, it effectively seals heater core leaks while significantly reducing water temperature, ensuring optimal engine performance. Whether dealing with leaks in plastic, aluminum, or metal radiators, gaskets, or freeze plugs, this product guarantees safe and easy sealing without the need for draining the cooling system. Furthermore, it's compatible with all types of traditional or extended life coolants, including a variety of colors and formulations such as yellow, orange, pink, red, blue, purple, and green silicate-based and non-silicate-based antifreeze. For anyone seeking the best radiator stop leak solution, Bars Leaks Liquid Aluminum is a reliable choice that protects your engine and prolongs its life, making it a must-have for every vehicle owner. In conclusion, using a high-quality radiator stop leak product can be a game-changer in maintaining your vehicle's cooling system. Whether you choose a liquid or tablet form, these products can save you time and money by providing a quick and effective solution to minor leaks. Remember to follow the manufacturer's instructions for the best results and ensure your vehicle runs smoothly for miles to come. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments which product you prefer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share for more update videos.